What we do here is go back.
Check out the interior on this E53 AMG. Again, this is a two-door coupe. So take a look at the colors here as we change. So that's sun yellow. You have jungle green. You have glacier blue, which is not really blue, but it's glacier blue. You have color flash. I don't want to do that. So let's check out fire red. So that is fire red. So you can see your ambient lighting changes all the way in. So it goes all the way into the door frame, into the side panel on the door. Right underneath this wood trim for the dashboard, it goes in between there. So if I open your glove box and we can take a look at that. So that is a glove box, pretty normal size. Go back, let's actually go home. So yeah, I mean, the other thing we haven't looked at is the navigation. So that is your navigation system. Again, pretty decent size navigation on this E53 AMG 2019. And actually zoom in and out on the GPS, as you can see. So let's go right ahead and zoom out. And this looks like Google Maps. So you can zoom out 5 miles above the earth. So as you can see, I'm in Salt Lake City, completely zoomed out. And that's where we are. That is planet Earth. So we can zoom back in to our present location right there. So that's your navigation system. So your navigation supports all the different options of your traditional maps. So go back home. Hey guys, if you loved watching this video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.